Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Happy Birthday Gem, a Gemination. Gosh. It's an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s. Our theme was crafts and hobby. Huh. I've started off with Nailtix Formula 2, and here is all mixed up lacquer, and this one is called State of Mind. Oh, what a flaky goodness. This is just a fun in a bottle right here. I'm loving this one. And hopefully I can find my words to get through this video today. My mouth's not working right. I don't know what's going on. Capping my free edge here. Alright, that's one coat down. We're going to go in with the second coat. I love this. It's like crayons that have been all shredded and put into a polish. It's just stunning. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Alright. Uh-oh. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Alright, we're going to top this with I&M's out the door. We get it to dry down so I can do my playing, my birthday playing for Jim today. And hopefully you guys will go check out the other videos over on the Instagram. I will have links, or a link down below. Here is a swatch photo of State of Mind on its own. Maniology AMB01 and BMXL325. I've got my black from Maniology, straight up black, and a couple of stampers and a scraper from Maniology. So we're just going to pull some images off and fill them in with some pops of color, because this is my craft and hobby. I couldn't think of any other crafts and hobbies that would work for this manicure for me today, so I'm doing what I know. Gonna get that plate out of the way and get one more image picked up. I decided to just do accent nails today. That base polish was just blowing my mind, so anyhows. So like I said, there should be a hashtag at least down below that you can go check out all the other crafts and hobby manicures over on Instagram. Cleaning my plates off with some acetone real quick. Wipey wipe with a lint-free wipe. Get my little mat cleaned up. And this is I don't even know how to say it. Rave Babe. And these are all bundle monsters. Eldorado. And then Monarch Dream. And that green one, I can't say it. It's like a southern tongue. Just, there's some words that we just have so much trouble with. So I'm just using a tiny little dotting tool and just going in and applying a little bit of polish on these. Not going to be anything crazy big on this one, but I just wanted to, have some pops of color. Like little nail polish bottles all on my nails. So much fun. This one was really fun to do. I like the little polish bottle ones. They're just so tiny. These are itty bitty. So I am trying to stay within the lines. I'm not so great at it, but I'm trying to stay in the lines. And I'm going to let these dry really well before I transfer them to my nails. Just as a FYI, if you do this. I mean, you can see that polish that I'm applying is quite a bit thicker. So it's going to take a minute for it to dry, for sure. Those are so cute. Oh, how cute. And I always love being able to use these stamping plates that's got the little polish bottles on them. Because they're just adorable. Alright. Last one. We're going to fill this one in with some of that purple. Oh, I love these colors together. These are all just so pretty. I am going to apply some sticky base from Maniology to my nails that I'm putting this decals on. I was fixing to call them stickers. Decals. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on both nails. Gives it a few seconds to dry off. And then I'm going to apply them directly from the stamper. First one went on perfect. And ta-da! Yay! I am going to top these with a smudge-free top coat. And once that's completely dry, I'm going to go in with Moonshine Minis Let's Go Top Coat. Get that all glossied up. Alright. Hi Woody, back again because Mama's being messy. Alright. Get that mess cleaned up for me. Thank you very much. Alright, come on, let's get to the polishing and the painting and the finishing up. And here we go. We're going to get some glossy quick dry top coat on this nail, and I ended up putting this on the other nails too. I just didn't film that part because it's kind of silly, but we are going to get that one done. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.